Skillbyte here, and I just got my fuel pump recall done here at Nelson Mazda. In case you're wondering why there's painter's tape there, that's because, oh wait, I'm still dealing with the paint protection film. That paint is curing, so I can't do that yet. And that is just to make sure I don't get any rock chips there at the front of that fender. All right, so yeah, no, didn't want a car wash. And I can't actually I don't want to, with the paint protection film, all that. So 31.1 miles per gallon is what I normally get. Now I'm going to be filling it up, and we'll see if the new fuel pump makes any difference on the miles per gallon. Now obviously it's going to take a while before I'll be able to tell you that. So, because I can't really drive it much right now because waiting for the paint protection film. But I will let you know as soon as I get some idea. Just driving back from the gas station, 35.2 miles per gallon. That's more than I normally get, which is a little odd. And I can feel just a slight roughness. So it's still learning. The computer's still learning the new fuel pump and adjusting. But well, now I'm sitting here and it's dropping down. So far, 2.4 miles and its gas mileage is looking good. So I hope these updates are helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.